Hello and welcome back to this channel where we educate you on matters of earning money online through various ventures. Consider subscribing as this helps the channel to grow. Like the video to make it reach other people, turn on the notification bell to be the first one to get notified of newly uploaded videos. In this video, we're going to talk about how to write an argumentative essay. Whether you're a student who's been assigned an essay by your teacher, or you're simply interested in improving your writing skills, this video will provide you with everything you need to know to write a compelling argumentative essay. Understand the purpose of an argumentative essay. The first step in writing an argumentative essay is to understand what it is and what it's meant to achieve. An argumentative essay is a type of writing that presents a clear and concise argument on a specific topic, issue, or idea. The goal of an argumentative essay is to persuade your reader to accept your point of view, using evidence and logical reasoning to support your claims. Choose a topic. Once you understand the purpose of an argumentative essay, the next step is to choose a topic that you feel strongly about. Your topic should be something that you're passionate about and that you have a strong opinion on. This will make it easier for you to write and will make your essay more compelling to your reader. Conduct research. Once you've chosen a topic, it's time to conduct research. You'll want to gather as much information as possible on your topic, including both sides of the argument. This will help you to make a more informed and well-rounded argument in your essay. Develop a thesis statement. A thesis statement is the central idea of your essay. It's the statement that you'll be arguing for throughout your essay. Your thesis statement should be clear, concise, and debatable. It should also be specific enough to guide the rest of your essay. Create an outline. An outline is a roadmap for your essay. It helps you to organize your thoughts and ensures that your essay flows logically and smoothly. Your outline should include an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Each of these sections should be broken down further into specific points that you'll be making. Write the introduction. The introduction is the first thing that your reader will see, so it's important to make it engaging and interesting. Your introduction should grab your reader's attention and provide them with a clear idea of what your essay is about. It should also include your thesis statement. Write the body paragraphs. The body paragraphs of your essay are where you'll be presenting your argument. Each paragraph should focus on a specific point that supports your thesis statement. Make sure to use evidence and examples to support your points. It's also important to address counterarguments and refute them with evidence and logical reasoning. Write the conclusion. The conclusion is the last part of your essay, and it's where you'll be summarizing your argument and restating your thesis statement. Your conclusion should also leave your reader with something to think about, such as a call to action or a suggestion for further research. Revise and edit. Once you've written your essay, it's important to revise and edit it. Make sure to read through your essay several times, looking for grammatical errors, typos, and areas that need clarification. It's also a good idea to have someone else read your essay to get a fresh perspective. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to write a compelling argumentative essay that persuades your reader to accept your point of view. Remember to choose a topic that you're passionate about, conduct thorough research, and organize your thoughts into a clear and concise essay. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming a skilled argumentative essay writer. Thanks for watching.